So, hey welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing part 2 of getting into boarding school. Anyways, first let me just see if, okay, I just posted a part 2. No, I didn't. Oh my gosh, 41 views already? Okay. Well, I wonder who liked the video. Oh shoot, I did. Anyways, still. Okay. I'm about to go to book. So, yeah. Okay. So, no. Not someone just woke up too, so yeah. Oh yeah, I know. If y'all can tell me how to get the vape, where to find the vape, where to find the vape, how to ring the bell, cause I forgot. I had it on copy before, but I forgot. So yeah. Anyways, today's class we're going to be learning about triangles. So, y'all have homework tomorrow for y'all aren't getting homework today, but y'all gonna have homework tomorrow, so yeah. Anyways, oh yeah, I have plans. Oh yeah, the cucumbers I have. Anyways, I really don't want this. Well, it's gonna have to be a chair for now. The person can actually walk and stuff. It's just that, yeah. At the end of the oh my god, I know who's locker this is. I don't know. Oh my god. This could be the brothers. Oh no, he's gonna have 2 lockers. Okay, so this is the school. This is just her, like, popular locker. Because what do you want from me? I don't know. What does this stand for again? Teacher, why aren't you gone yet? I mean, principal, why are you still here? I have to work. Bye, kids. I was actually stuff coming to me. Bye, teacher. Bye, principal. Well, I forget teacher. Oh. Yo, this is a freaky man. No, I'm gonna have to do like a picture, like a video with them being like no, I don't want to be like Toka, what's her name? Toka Papa. No, I don't want to be like her. No hate on her though, but like, no, she posts way too much weird and disgusting videos. Why would you even do that? And you know kids watch YouTube too. Why would you do that? Like, it's so stupid. Like, at least use your brain. Again, no hate. But yeah, it's very weird and strange. I don't know why she would do that. I don't think I'm gonna change. Oh shoot! I forgot we didn't come down yesterday. Finally. Oh, I have 2 coats! Yay! Yeah, I just Hey, who's this girl? Are you kidding? Are you kidding me right now? Is that your ex-girlfriend? Yo, what is that? Bro, I didn't pack this for you. You didn't even do that on the screen, bro. What are you talking about? They go downstairs. Because yeah, sis, I can't wait to see Ashley. Yeah, it's a boarding school. And y'all, I know that it's supposed to be like when the kids do something bad that they get into boarding school. But like, I just want it to be where they really want to go to boarding school to see what it's like and to like, you know, like, yeah, that stuff. I have never been to boarding school. My boarding school one day because, anyways, I really want to become like a content creator and stuff. To be honest, I don't even know. I think I should just go over there. Why don't you think so you might come. Oh, I see Dad's car. Dad's still in the car though. Okay. Oh, hey kiddos. Hey Dad. Had a good day? Yes, of course. Did y'all? Yeah, Dad. Yeah. I'm gonna go upstairs to show Mom. Okay, we're coming also. Yo, nah, that's crazy. I had no idea that that could happen. Yo, I signed on top of the... Nah, wait. Nah, the cat. Is it because of the raining? Oh no, it's because people are in there. Third floor, and I have the biggest space, I think. Or second biggest. Probably, I don't know. Oh yeah, y'all, obviously. I don't know if y'all say excuse me when you're yawn, but if y'all do, excuse me. Just saying for yawning and not saying excuse me. Yeah. No, I'm sleep just like your mom. I have to take this DVD first. Oh god, why is it still on? So freaking annoying. Is it off? Yes, it is. Okay. I think it is, as I think so. Okay, but my room is probably like the smallest here. And this should be the baby's room. And this should be my room, but it's okay. Because I'm soon going to bring school anyways. So yeah. And me and my sis are like 15 years old. Well, 16. And we're thinking about moving out at 17. So yeah. Anyways, let me just put this right there, the bag right there, and see what my sister's up to. You still out here? Sorry. Is you okay? Like, what's wrong with you? Wait, did I even do an intro? If I didn't do an intro, hey y'all, welcome back. Oh shoot, I gotta end the video right now.